Good morning, students. Today in a science class, we are going to see about lesson 1 measurement part 5. Today, what we are going to learn means measuring mass and difference between mass and weight, accuracy in measurement. First one, we are going to see about a measuring mass. Actually, we are using a mass instead of the term weight. Okay, so measuring that in a mass means we are using that in a weight term only. வெயிட் போடுங்க அந்த மாதிரி தான் நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம். அதை மாஸ் அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணல. ஓகே, அந்த டேர்முக்கு மட்டும் நம்ம சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, ஸோ மாஸ் இஸ் அ கமர்ஷியல் word we are using for in a measurement in a many things. Okay, the SI unit of mass is kilogram, that is kg. What is the SI unit? We are using that in a kg. Okay, what are the objects we are using to measure? Means gold ornaments, we are using that in a milligram. Yes, Dama. Likewise, in a medicines, we are measuring in a milligram only. Milligram, it's a very small unit. Okay, and then in food items means we are measuring that in a kg, kilogram, 1 kilo, half kilo. Likewise, we are using, so kilogram we are using that. And then in a largest measurement we are measuring in a tons. Okay, mass we are measuring in a tons. Cargo, likewise, we are measuring in a tons. Okay, ma. So likewise, we are able to list out in a many things. We are using that in measuring in a mass. Okay, so what are the instrument we are used for in a measurement? Yes, beam balance, physical balance, digital balance, spring balance. But normally we are seeing in a beam balance and digital balance. Where we are seeing in our home nearby shop, they are using that in a beam balance. In olden days, they are using that in a beam balance. But majority of that in a home nearby shops, it is using that in a digital balance. Yes, Dama. So, and also physical balance also we saw in a jewelry shop. Okay, swellage of in the box inside we are using that in a balance, that is we called as in a physical balance. Okay, the next one is the spring balance. It is we are going to study in this lesson onwards. The first one is a beam balance. Why it is called as in a beam? The center it is having in a beam. Okay, that is an axis, center axis onwards it is supported, so that only it is called as a beam balance. Okay, so how it is able to measure means the standard objects, that means standard weight we are using 5 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg. Likewise, standard weight we are using in a one side in a balance. Okay, so another side we are able to measure as in a unknown weight object. For example, sugar we are measuring means, so up to the both it is in a equal coming, after we are measuring likewise. Okay, the next one is in a physical balance. So physical balance, in a jewelry, I already told that in a jewelry shop we are saw this type of physical balance. It is a highly sensitive object able to correctly measure up to milligram. In a common balance we are able to measure up to 5 gram. 5 gram is the least count for in a common balance, but it is able to measure up to 100 milligram to 200 gram. Okay, So largest amount we are able to measure 200 gram. Okay, ma. So this is also standard weight. We are keep it in a one side, and the unknown weight we are able to keep it in a another one side. Okay. So next one is a digital balance. Nowadays, for accurate measurement, digital balance are used, which measure mass accurately even up to 5 milligram. Okay, 5 milligram up to, likewise in a common balance we are able to measure. So 100 milligram, 10 milligram is the least value of the digital balance. The next one is spring balance. So spring balance, this balance helps to find the weight of an objects. It works by Hooke's law. Okay, why it is in a Hooke's law? Hooks, it is down having. Okay, ma. So one end it is fixed in that in a fixed able to fix. The another one it is hanging. The hook side it is in a hanging. So from that onwards we are able to measure that in a unknown weight. Okay, and also it is having in a zero sitting level also. Okay, so in its in a top it is mentioned that up to which how much amount we are able to measure in a maximum, likewise it is mentioned it is. Okay, so in this in a spring balance 1 gram to 1 gram to 200 gram, I think. Yes, 200 gram up to it is able to measure. Okay, ma. So what it is means, it is not having any support. So gravity it is working on that in a surrounded area onwards. Okay, so next one we are going to study that in a difference between the mass and weight, that is mass versus weight. So what is mass? What is mass means? Mass is the amount of matter. Okay, it's amount, keep in mind it is amount of matter that an object possesses. So actually what is the amount having in a object? Okay, originally அந்த திங்ஸ்ட உள்ள அமௌண்ட்டை தான் நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோம்னா மாஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ weight means that is force acting upon that object due to gravity. Okay, so கிராவிட்டினால ஒர்க் ஆகிற ஃபோர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோன்னா வெயிட். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் ஏபிள் டு மென்ஷன் ஆஸ் இன் கிளியர் மேனர். ஸோ இங்கே பிக்சர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ என்ன பாருங்கள், மாஸ் ஆஃப் அ பர்சன் 70 kg in a earth. Okay, but in a space mass also it is in a 70 kg only. But weight we are calculate means, so how it is weight formula is a mass into gravity. Okay, original mass is a 70, gravity is a 9.8. So we are multiplying means we are getting the value 686 Newton. Okay, so what is the weight of a man? That is 686 Newton. So outer inner space we are calculating means it is in a zero because there is not having any gravity. Okay, so அப்போ பாருங்க, ஒரே பர்சனோட வெயிட்டு எர்த்தில் வந்து 686 நியூட்டன் இருக்குது. பட் ஆனால் ஸ்பேஸில் 0 நியூட்டனாக இருக்குது. அதாவது அதோட ஒரிஜினல் அமௌண்ட்டை நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோம்? மாஸ். அதை சரௌண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்க கிராவிட்டி ஃபோர்ஸ், அது ஒர்க் ஆகிற ஃபோர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா வெயிட். ஓகேயா? ஸோ ஆக்சுவலாக நம்மளோட வெயிட் அப்படின்னு கால் பண்ணுறோம், வெயிட் கிடையாது அது, மாஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ வெயிட்டுங்கிறது மாஸையும் கிராவிட்டியும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் வாட்ஸ் அ வேல்யூ வி ஆர் கெட்டிங், தட்ஸ் ஒன்லி வி ஆர் கால்ட் ஆஸ் இன் அ வெயிட். ஓகே, ஸோ எப்படிமா ஸ்பேஸில் வந்து 0 நியூட்டன் ஆச்சு? பிகாஸ் கிராவிட்டி இஸ் அ 0. ஸோ மாஸ் அவன் 70 இருந்தாலும் மாஸ் இன்ட்டு 70 இன்ட்டு 0 இட்ஸ் a 0 ஒன்லி. ஸோ அதனால தான் அங்கே என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணுறதில்ல, வெயிட்டை நம்மளால் ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியாதுமா ஸ்பேஸில். ஓகேயா? ஸோ அண்ட் தென் so it is best example for you. Mass in a earth, it is measuring in a scale 10 kg, weight also 10 kg, okay, in a earth. But in a moon, it is in a 1.7 kg only, because they are having in a gravity is a very low. But in a space, you see that in a space it is having in a 0, because there is no gravity in a space. Okay, yeah. So that's only what it is mentioned means. Mass remains the same everywhere. ஸோ எல்லா பிளேஸ்லேயும் மாஸ் எப்படி இருக்குமா, சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது. 10 கேஜினா 10 கேஜி தான். பட் ஆனால் வெயிட் இட் இஸ் varies from place to place, because it is depend on that in a gravitational pull. Okay. So next one, mass is a fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity na நம்ம list of fundamental quantity படிச்சோம். So what are they? That is a mass, and then length, time, temperature, likewise. Okay, but weight is a derived quantity. Derived quantity means we are mathematical calculation of the fundamental quantity. That's only it is in a derived quantity. Weight is a derived quantity. We are multiply the mass and gravity, so only we are able to get that in a weight. Okay, so one more, it is mass is a scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. It is show only the value. Okay, so but weight is a vector quantity, which direction onwards it's working, that's also we are able to mention. Okay, so magnitude, that is a value, and also in a direction. Okay, so mass we are able to measure in a kilogram, weight we are able to measure in a Newton. Okay, and then mass we are able to measure by in a physical balance, weight we are able to measure by in a spring balance. So this is the difference between the mass and weight. Mass is a fundamental quantity, weight is a derived quantity. It has magnitude alone, and then it is a scalar quantity. But weight is a magnitude and also it shows the direction, so it is a vector quantity. It is the amount of matter contained in a body. Weight is a normal force exerted by the surface. அதோட சர்ஃபேஸில் அது ஃபீல் பண்ணுற கிராவிடேஷ்னல் புல்லை தான் நம்ம என்ன கால் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா வெயிட் கால் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ மாஸ் ரிமைன்ஸ் த சேம் எவ்ரிவேர். Even it is a moon, it is a Mars, it is in a space, it is in a earth, it is same at everywhere, but weight varies from place to place. It is measured using a spring balance. Weight is measured by a spring balance, mass is measured by a physical balance. Okay, mass, its unit is a kilogram, weight, its unit is a Newton. Okay ma. So now we are going to calculate that in a problem. If a man has a mass 50 kg on a earth, then what is his weight is asking. So first one we want to write as in a weight. What is the weight formula? Mass into gravity, that is m into g. Okay, so mass of an object, what is given here? 50 gram. Okay, so his weight. Okay, so how we are able to measure weight? Actually in a earth, it is mentioned here, earth கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணணும், எர்த்தோட கிராவிட்டி it is 9.8. Okay, so we are multiply that in a mass, we are written as a 50 g, that is a gravity, we are written as a 9.8. so multiply means what we are getting, 419 Newton. Newton is the unit for it. Okay, so and also one more it is down given below here, that is the pull of gravity on the earth is 1 by 6 times weaker than that of in a earth. ஓகே, எர்த்தோட கம்பேர் பண்ணுறப்போ மூணோடது எப்படி இருக்கும், ஆறில் 1 part, 6ல் 1 part only it is. This causes weight of an object on the moon to be less than that of an earth by 6 times. Okay, 6 times it will be less. So acceleration due to gravity on the earth equal to 1.63 meter per second square. Okay, if the mass of a man is 70 kg, then the weight of an earth is 686 Newton. Likewise, your weight also we are able to measure. Okay, எப்படி மெஷர் பண்ணலாம், உன்னோட மாஸ் வந்து ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 40 or 30. Likewise means you multiply within 9.8. 9.8 is the gravitation pull. Multiply பண்ணேனா what's the value we are getting, that is we are written as in Newton. Okay, so that's only your weight. Okay, actually we are using as in my weight likewise, but actually it is in your mass. Okay, so originally we want to calculate that in a weight means mass into gravity only we are able to measure. Okay ma, so that next one is accuracy in measurement. நம்ம மெஷர் பண்ணுறதுல எப்படி இருக்கணும்னா it want to be that in a accuracy. Okay, accuracy is important. Yes, so accuracy represent how close the object comes to true value. ஸோ எவ்வளோ நம்மள்ட்ட உண்மையாக இருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறது அவங்க பண்ணுற அந்த அக்யூரஸியில் தான் இருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ அக்யூரன்சி இட் இஸ் இன் அ வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் இன் அ engineering, physics and also all the branches in a science. Okay, so it is important in our daily life. How it is, இப்போ கரெக்டாக மெஷர் பண்ணாத ஒரு ஷாப் கீப்பர்கிட்ட நம்ம போக மாட்டோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ who is measuring us in a correct manner, we are going like there only. Okay, you might have seen in a jewelry shops how accurately they measure gold. What will happen if little more salt is added to the ஃபுட்டில் கொஞ்சம் நம்ம சால்ட்டோ இதுவோ கூட போட்டாலும் எப்படி இருக்கும், நம்மளால் சாப்பிட முடியாது இல்லையா. ஸோ இட் இஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் இன் அவர் குக்கிங் ஆல்சோ. ஓகே, ஸோ we want to measure us in an accurate manner. Okay ma, so that is accuracy. எதனால் இன்அக்யூரேட்டாக நம்ம கேல்குலேட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா 2 things it is happen. One is a fault instrument மேலே ஃபால்ட் இருக்குது அப்படிங்கன்னா, ஆர் அதர்வைஸ் ஹியூமன் எரர்ஸ். ஓகே, நம்ம மெஷர் பண்ணுறப்ப கரெக்டாக மெஷர் பண்ணாமல், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம ஸ்கேல் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா என்ன பண்ணுறோம், ஐஸை வந்து ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக வச்சு பார்க்கணும். ஸோ தென் ஒன்லி வி ஆர் ஏபிள் டு. கிராஸில் வச்சு பார்த்தோன்னா அது ஸ்லாண்டிங்காக 1 or 2 மில்லிகிராம் அது என்ன பண்ணும், மில்லிமீட்டர் அது என்ன பண்ணும், வேரிஸ்லாம் காட்டும். ஓகே ஆமாம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி எரர் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் எரர் இருந்தால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், அதர்வைஸ் ஹியூமன் எரர் இருந்தால் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ வி ஆர் மெஷரிங் தட் இன் repeated that in a measurement. ஓகே, ஸோ ரிப்பீட்டடாக செஞ்சுட்டு என்ன பண்ணுவோம், அதை வந்து நம்ம ஆவரேஜ் வேல்யூவை நம்ம அக்யூரேட் வேல்யூவாக நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேயா, ஸோ நம்மளும் 2 எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்ட் பார்த்தோம். தட் இஸ் ஸ்க்ரூ கேஜ் வேல்யூ அண்ட் ஆல்சோ தட் இன் வாட் இட் இஸ் vernier caliper. So we are not take a single value, we are take as in a more than 2 value. Why it is means, because it is not taken as an accurate, so we are repeated the value, so we are getting that in an average value we consider as in a correct value of the object. Okay, is it clear ma? So today in a recall class, today in a class we saw that in a measuring instruments, difference between mass and weight, and accuracy in measurement. Okay, do the worksheet in neat manner. Thank you.